You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was.
Hi fam. Yeah, it is 3 o'clock right now. I hope you guys are doing well. So I was busy recording and then I went to take a bath, and then my mom came. She popped in to visit. I am so tired right now. Okay, anyway, she popped in just to visit a little, but we don't stay far away from each other. So I just had to just pause and just be hospitable. So it is around 3 now, and she just left. So then it started to rain, and then I realized we're going to have load shedding at 6. So now I just had to quickly, because I didn't iron, I quickly had to iron their school clothes and my husband's clothes for work. One thing about me, I don't enjoy ironing, but I don't like when you look like you just got dressed out of a basket. So I quickly just ironed. I did it on the bed, quickly just ironed, and I'm quickly just busy cooking as well. So I just wanted to pop in, greet. I think, oh man, I was busy recording, and then like I said, my mom came, and then I didn't even do my devotional today. I didn't even do no journaling. I just, after working out, because normally I like to do my workout in the morning after the kids go to school. So after they left, my daughter Hope started having stomach aches, and so she left. She stayed behind, so I was at home with Hopi and Therese. So I just quickly did, I just gave them something to watch on the TV, and then I just went into my room, quickly just did, just 20 minutes of bicycle, because I am on my cycle, and I normally do a 30-minute workout, but oh man, now lately I am cramping like nobody's business. I'm really cramping badly if I am on my cycle and I work out. So because I don't want to just not work out, because like for me, I find that it's quite difficult if I work out and I stop completely to get back on track again. As a big story, it's a bit hard. So I told myself, when I'm on my cycle, I would do just like a 10-minute or 20-minute like ride on my bicycle, just just to get that workout in. Because this year I do really just want to work on just pouring into that cup, working on self and my body and my mind and my mental health and my space. And the space in the family is always priority. And as a stay-at-home mom, it's quite difficult to juggle everything and also to just maintain or to stay focused on self. When it comes to hygiene, that is easy peasy, but working out, I don't really get time to do that. So I told myself this year we are going to try our best. So I did it, and then I went to take a bath, and when I came out of the bath, my mother was here. Had to just pause and just be hospitable. And again, ended up watching movies and whatnot, because my mother is a sucker for horrors and whatnot. So while she was sitting here, there was a movie that was playing that she was basically hooked to the screen. And when I opened my eyes, it was around 3. And then I realized, okay, we're gonna have load shedding soon. So I am busy cooking now. I just wanted to come and just greet, but I do still wanna just spend time. I think I would just do it, make it a part of my night routine, because I don't think, oh my god, but we're going to have load shedding. But okay, nevertheless, but I quickly just wanna cook, get done with the cooking, because now like I said, it's raining, it's quite dark in my kitchen. So I just came into the kids' bedroom just for some light. I hate, I don't like when the quality is to be, I don't like low quality content. I don't even like low quality movies. So most probably I'm going to catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher.
You find this?